Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to remove a WordPress installation on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the website that you want to remove the WordPress installation from, click on this dashboard button. Now go to website and click on Auto Installer. Here, wait a moment till you see installed applications. And as you see, I have a WordPress installation installed on this website. Now to remove it, simply click on these three dots and select delete. Make sure to check all of these three check marks and hit delete. Here, don't close this window by clicking on this X. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Here, don't close this window by clicking on this X because this will undo this action. And just like that, you have just removed the WordPress installation from or on Hostinger. Let's refresh this page. As you see, it still shows the WordPress here. Don't worry, this is just due to the cache on my browser. So I need to clear the cache first, like that. Click on clear cache and refresh this page. And as you see, my WordPress installation is successfully removed. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.